Take a look at this. This is a river overflowing. It's about 60 degrees here in January. Right, Zoe? Zoe. Right? So we're down here at the river. Check that mess out, boy. That's something, isn't it? That is the power of Mother Nature. Put it on down if we can. We're real close to the bank right now, but we're gonna get around it. This is part of our land. It's trying to get underwater. Amazing. All the rain. Made a Forrest Gump post about upside down rain, sideways rain. Well, the other night, well, this is about it. This is like pretty cool. Get through here without any four-wheel drive. Not going very fast, are we? There's the pine forest. Isn't that cool? Alright, better view. It's raining too hard to hold the window up. And down. Okay. Okay. Hunting season just went out for white-tailed deer here in North Carolina. And we're on the 4th of January now. So now it's just time to maintain the land and get everything in order for next year and for summer. And as you can see, rain is doing its thing. You holding on, Zoe? Zoe, hold on. Bumpy ride. She don't care as long as she's riding. There's another part of the pine forest. This is one of my favorite parts on our property here. It's just quiet in there. All the deer lay down in there. I don't think the rain's gonna last very long. I've had 1 3/4 inches of rain as of this morning. It stopped all day till now. There's a river coming over the bank. The UWHARRIE River. The UWHARRIE River was named after the UWHARRIE Indians that used to live in this part of North Carolina. And they lived along this river and done their thing and lived until I guess it was probably the 1700s maybe. Y'all leave me a comment below if I'm wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that was it. And until the white man run them off. But anyway, but it's a great place to live. A lot of good fishing, a lot of good hunting. We like to live like this. Obviously we do. And really enjoy it. It's a beautiful place. It's God's country. If you've never seen God, watch this video. This is God's country. Look at this river, the mouth of it opened up right here. It's hard to see through these steamed up windows. It's getting foggy. Just gonna bring these windows down. Stopped. fixed out for the most part. Not bad. You can take it now. Some trees me and Josh, my friend Josh, cut up the other day to clear this path. He's kind enough to bring his 4-wheel drive Kubota with a bucket front end loader on it. And got in here and knocked some stuff down. I had the chainsaw and chainsawed it all up. It was really a lot of fun, a lot of good fellowship between men, you know, coming out doing this kind of thing. And it's always good. Hard work builds great friendships. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You learn that when you live out like this. You work together, you become good friends. There's some corn I had left over from deer season. I was baiting right here. There's a ridge up there, high mountain ridge up. Over beyond that's the house. There's a deer blind up there. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the Michael Ken channel. I've got music videos, as some of you know, on here, and other little things like this every now and then. Y'all have a great one. See ya.